Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request a payment on Monzo. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to launch your Monzo application just like so. Then tap on the option I already have an account and provide your email address and your password, and you need to simply log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you just have to tap on the payments icon in the menu bar and tap on the request option. Afterwards, you need to tap on buy QR code or link. So whichever method you have, if you have a QR code, select QR code. If you have link, select link. And from here you can send request by tapping on share link instead, or the person scan your QR code with their phone, and you can also edit the amount from this page, or you just leave it blank. It's up to you. Here one thing to note that you can't use a credit card, prepaid card or any other overseas card to pay someone using monzo.me. So this way you can easily request a payment on Monzo. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.